Good day, Ma'am, Sir. My name is Vanessa Olivar Paredes, 39 years old, single and from the Philippines. I am a born-again Christian, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Management Accounting. We are 6 siblings in the family. I have 1 brother and 4 sisters. I have a work experience in the Philippines as house helper for 2 years from 2021 to October 2024. I served 2 adults and 1 child, aged 4 years old. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, cooking and preparing their foods, washing the dishes, ironing the clothes, and taking care of the child. I am a hard-working person, loving, caring, honest, and dedicated to my work. To my future employer, Ma'am, Sir, if you choose to hire me, I will do my duties and responsibilities with love and dedication, and I will treat your family as my own family. Thank you and God bless.